My camping gear, it's horrible, and you don't see it until somebody points it out. It was time for an upgrade, and this Coleman seems to do the job very, very well. So what you get in the box? Obviously, you get a manual. You have a nice carrying case for it. I'm gonna take it out. So this is the unit. You have to purchase the butane gas separately. So this is the butane tank, and close this, and you can leave it in here. That's the beauty of it. It has a safety connector over here. So what you do is you pull the safety down. Now the butane tank is engaged into the mechanism, and then now you could light it up. So I'm going to light it up right now. I'm going to go maximum, and then it has a clicker at the end, so it auto ignites, which is awesome. Very compact. Once you're done, wait for it to cool off. Release the valve, so this moves the can backward, so you don't have any spills by mistake. And then you could just put it back in the box. So first, I'm gonna put a pot on. It has exactly a cup of water in it. And then I'm gonna light it up and see how long it takes. All right, so I'm gonna keep it on max just for the hell of it. And there you go, that's boiling water. Does have a little bit of a bleed of heat over here on the side because right now I have to turn it off and I cannot pick this pot up. I've learned this lesson a long time ago. The handle gets hot. So a bigger pot will allow less heat bleed out and will be even more efficient. Who is this stove designed for? Well, it's not for backpackers because backpackers is going to be a little bit heavy, but it's definitely for people that use tents, use trunks of a car, trucks and stuff like that. Is this going to be able to feed a big family? Maybe you need something that has 2 burners. That's a completely different story. But if you have a lot of mouths to feed, maybe this is not the best thing. If you're thinking about buying and going camping, definitely this is a way to go. Now I have to find a replacement for this, which is my grill. Thanks for watching.